Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you a very healthy vegetarian recipe which is dal fry. This is a very nutritious dish rich in proteins and minerals. Dal is the most common dish in any Indian kitchen. So let's start making this yummy recipe. Here I have taken 3 kinds of lentils, that is dal. Half a cup of red lentil, that is masoor dal, 1/3 cup of split moong lentil, that is moong dal, half a cup of chickpea lentils, that is chana dal. Now in a bowl we add the chana dal, that is chickpea lentil, add 2 glasses of normal water. Let it soak for around 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add the split moong lentil, that is moong dal, to this. Soak both the lentils for another 15 minutes. After 30 minutes, add the red lentil and wash the lentils thoroughly with water. We do not need to soak the red lentil as it gets cooked very fast. Now in a pot, we add 3 glasses of normal water. To this, we add the finely washed lentils. Add 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Add according to your taste. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Give a stir. On high heat, bring the lentils to a boil. When it starts to boil, remove the foam forming on the top of the vessel. Now on medium heat, cover the pot and let the lentils cook. In between, open the lid and give a stir. Here you can see that our dal is nicely cooked. Switch off the heat. Now in a pan we heat up 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil. In hot oil we add 2 bay leaves. Add 1 dried red chilli. Saute a bit. Now add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Saute a bit. Add a pinch of asafoetida, that is hing. To this we add 2 medium-sized onions, approximately 150 gram, finely chopped. On medium heat, fry for a minute. After a minute, add 3 cloves of chopped garlic, approximately 20 grams. Now on high heat, fry the onions and the garlic for 2 minutes till their raw smell goes. After 2 minutes, add half of the sliced ginger pieces. Keep the rest for later use. Fry for 2 minutes. Add 1 tomato, approximately 110 grams, diced into pieces. Again, fry for 2 minutes. Now to this we will add half a teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoon of Kitchen King masala. On medium heat, saute the spices for a minute. Add salt as per your taste. I have added half a teaspoon of salt as the dal already has salt in it. Add sugar as per your taste. I have added 1 teaspoon of sugar. Saute the spices nicely for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 1 green chili cut into pieces. Now add the cooked lentils or dal to this. Stir and mix everything nicely. On high heat, cook the dal for around 3 minutes. Add rest of the finely sliced ginger. Add freshly chopped coriander leaves. Lastly, add 1 tablespoon of ghee or clarified butter. After around 3 minutes, now switch off the heat and give it a standing time of 5 minutes before serving. Our dal fry, or you can say mixed dal fry, is ready to be served. You can enjoy this delicious and nutritious dish with the Indian breads, roti, paratha and naan. If you have liked my recipe, do give it a try and let me know your precious feedback. Also, please do like and share. For those who are new, don't forget to subscribe the channel for new recipes. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Till the next time, take care. Bye.